Hello, today I'd like to talk to you about adding PDFs to assignments in ClassDojo. So I've taken my PDF that I have for my learners and drug that into my Drive window to upload it to Drive. Once I've done that, I can use the Get Shareable Link button to grab the link for that article or book. I'm going to come over to ClassDojo now and create an activity. Now that I've created my activity and given some directions, I'm going to simply paste my URL to the PDF I've placed in Drive here in the directions. And I'm going to make one minor change. From View all the way to the right, I'm going to delete that and put the word copy. That way, when the learner clicks this link, they'll get a copy of this Drive document, making it their own. If I do not want each learner to have their own copy, of course, I can just keep the link as is. They can export this to Notability, where they can go ahead and mark it up, later turning it in. Either way, I hope that you found this tutorial on placing PDFs into your ClassDojo assignments helpful. And as always, thanks for watching.